How to appear offline on Tinder even when online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on Tinder even when you are online. So to do that, first of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options. Simply tap on the one which is to the far right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to your profile page where you can see the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. After that, you will be taken to the settings page where you'll have to scroll down, and there you can see the option under activity status online. Simply tap on it and then toggle this bar off. Now once you've done that, you will appear offline even when you are online on Tinder, and simply toggle this bar also. Now once you've toggled both bars to offline, you will have successfully appeared offline on Tinder even when you are online. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.